All right, good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. I don't know, we might have put this out a while back. Today, the guy that's going to install our gutter system here in the front, and then fix the ones in the back and clean all of our gutters. He just came by today and gave us an estimate. I think the estimate was less than 3,000 baht, but to install a gutter. Let me turn this camera around. Okay, he's going to install a gutter up here because the water drains down and it bombards our little planter here and just leaves a rut. So anyway, he's going to run a gutter along here. The pipe is going to come down this pole inside our fence, and it's going to go to our gutter there so that it drains out in the creek bed back there. So he's going to come and clean out all of our drains, because notice a bunch of stuff up in them. So we're going to have these all cleaned out here. And this pipe works really good. 3-inch pipe, all the water, it can handle the stuff on the roof. But over here, since we had all these 3 hoses, they all go into my drain here, and it goes out to the creek over there. It goes underneath this area here and goes all the way out. But this was plugged up, so they unhooked it. But this is the neighbors, that's their part. So we're gonna hook that one there, hook this one here into a PVC pipe, kind of like that one over there. And we're also going to hook up this one. I don't know if he's gonna run a pipe straight down from here, or if he's gonna branch it off and come over here and all 3 go down to that drain right there. So anyway, he's gonna come back this afternoon and clean out all of our rain gutters. You can see the tree stuff up there, all of that. It's already at the end, so it needs to be cleaned out. It's probably not that bad up there, just right here. But anyway, he's gonna do that today. And when he gets here, I'll do some more video of what he's doing. And yeah, less than 3,000 baht, that's pretty good. Pipe around, we're going to put that new pipe up in the back. He's got a 3rd piece out here. Right now they're welding the braces for the new guttering that's going to be up out here. Go up there and checking all the gutters to make sure there ain't nothing in them. I wouldn't imagine this side has too much on it because there's no trees above the house, so. The other side's gonna be bad though. That one's obviously full of stuff. He's throwing it all down there. That's what all was in the gutter. Gotta keep the rain gutters clean.
ไม่ใช่ดิอย่าโผล่มาดิกูจะเทียบไงงั้นตัดจะรู้ไหมตัดนี่ไงไม่ต้องถอดเข้ามาออกเดี๋ยวตัวนี้ส่วนข้างนี้ถอดแปลงตัวนี้เอาขาดเป็นรถขาดอยู่ต้องขับเร็วไปไหนไปเนี่ยไหนอะรถอะไรอะตอบเลยพอยิดเอาเงินล็อกตั้งยิดเลย
Okay, they got them all attached here. Oh damn, that's bright. That's coming off the neighbor's house, and then we got ours coming off of here. And they'll run right down there. And then that one's attached to the wall. Straight down off the drain there. And of course he got all this crap here out of the gutter, so I'm going to have to clean all this up when they leave. And yeah.
He's making the rain gutter right there.
Okay, the guys just left. They got our gutter put up here. This one piece gutter, he formed that himself, so I guess he made it and crimped it and everything. Put the downspout in. Got water going over to the gutter there, so now it won't be running down in the dirt. Let's go to the back and see the finished product back there. What? Okay. All right. I did get my water leak fixed there. That was leaking. Okay, here we go. Now we got, there's the neighbors. It's going down into here. And then I got mine going down in here, and then that's new as well. Going straight down. All of it's going into this gutter here, which drains out to the creek underneath all this concrete back here. Okay. 2,800 baht. And that includes parts and labor, everything. Okay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.